There it is, yeah. Wrong airfield.
Yeah, base for runway 22.
We're going over there, is here. I was wondering why we was off.
Like a Romeo, and he says wind is 30 at approximately 12 knots.
1, low.
Copy the wind, copy Romeo.
I'm going to slow the old girl down.
EGT 3, low.
Target speed is 62. Speed good. Fast. Speed good. Slow. Speed good.
Coming that way, is there?
Speed good. Fast. Fast. Speed good.
Final to land, 22, Golf Echo Romeo.
Speed good.
Golf Echo Romeo.
Fast. Fast.
And the Papa Zulu Whiskey is passing Alpha at 800.
Zulu Whiskey, Roger.
Speed good. Slow. 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 Speed good. Speed good. Speed good. Slow. Speed good.
EGT 1, low. EGT 3, low.
Slow. Very slow. Very slow. Very slow. Airspeed 42. 37. 32.
EGT
27.
EGT 2, low.
And Golf Echo Romeo straight ahead, and then the second to the right, between the blue accounts. Now one further, please. Copy that, Echo Romeo.
Bob's here.
Echo Romeo, clear the active.
CHT 2, low. Current, low.
And Echo Romeo, and then at the end to the left, between the orange markers with the blue lights, and parking next to Bob, the Alpha Golf. Bob, Alpha Golf, my mate. Okay, roger.
Goedemiddag, Texel Radio. Bravo Yankee taxiing out, 6 POB, 30 minutes.
Low.
Thank you, Roger.
EGT 4, low.
See, Bob got it all right.
And the Papa Zulu Whiskey is joining left hand downwind 22.
Zulu Whiskey, Roger.
We got a pick of the tandems, love. Oh, it's ground soft.
CH
Ground soft, yeah.
low. EG
Don't worry about putting the brakes on, it's not going to go anywhere.
coolant temperature
I would
high.
just drag it out, wouldn't you?
Oil pressure low. CHT.
Ain't bad going.
High.
Even with that little diversion, we're only 6 minutes later than what we expected.
2 low. EGT 4 low.